How to make a 1 by 1 or a 2 by 2 inches picture in Microsoft Word. This is what I am going to show you in this video, so if you're interested then keep on watching. I am using the Microsoft 2016, and if you're using anything above 2013, the user interface would be almost similar. In case you're using the previous versions, then you have to find out these features. Just watch the tutorial carefully. Now first of all, we are going to import an image into the Microsoft Word, and then we would start resizing that picture. In order to insert a picture, you need to click the insert tab. In that, click picture, and from the drop down menu click this device, select the folder where your picture is, select the picture, click insert, and your picture will be inserted. Now depending upon the resolution of your picture, you will have the default size of picture. As you can see that the picture which I have taken as a sample is quite large in size, and I need to resize that into 1 by 1 inches or 2 by 2 inches. Before resizing the picture, there's one thing you need to check and make the changes if those settings are not there, and that is the measurement unit. So if I click this picture or select this picture and then I click format, here you would see that it would give me the dimension of the picture. Right now it is giving me the height and the width in centimeters. So if you want to make the measurement in inches, you need to change the unit from centimeters to inches, and for that you have to go to the file. From here you need to click more and select options. In the options you have to select advanced, and in advanced you need to come down and you need to go to this section, that is the display section, and in that it would give you this option that show measurements in unit of, it is centimeters, change into inches, and press OK. And now you see that this is giving me the height and width in inches. Right now it is 4.88 inches and 6.5 in width. So now you have two options. One, to simply reduce the size, or if you want to crop a picture something towards the right or top which is excessive, you can just click this crop option and you will see these black icons on the sides and in the center. Just hover the mouse over there, and from there you can crop the picture. As you can see that I have cropped the picture from the top, and similarly I will crop the picture from the right as well as from the left. I'll just reduce it from the top also, and I'll click somewhere out, and my picture now has been reduced from 4.88 to 4.2 inches and 5.6 to 5.2 inches. Now I want to reduce it to 1 by 1, so I'll just select this height and type 1 and press enter. So as you can see that it has reduced the picture size height to 1 inches. Now as you can see that the height of the picture has been reduced to 1 inches, but the width is still 1.24, and if I select this width option and type 1 in this, it is going to reduce the height to less than 1 inches. It is because of the reason that the aspect ratio of this picture has been locked. So the solution is that you need to unlock the aspect ratio and then you need to change. For that you just make sure that your picture is selected, and then click this icon to select this layout window, and in that layout window here you would see the lock aspect ratio. You just need to click this, you need to uncheck this and press OK, and now you can simply type 1 and press enter. Now while this picture was not ideally taken to, let's say, make it 1 by 1 size, but as you can see that its size is now 1 inches by 1 inches. So this is how you can change the picture size to 1 by 1 inches. And now if I want to make it 2 by 2, I'll just press 2 on both windows, and you can see that my picture has been reduced to 2 inches. Let me make a copy of this and show you the 1 by 1 option and then 2 by 2. So this one is 1 by 1 inches and this one is 2 by 2 inches. So this is how you can resize the picture in Microsoft Word into 1 by 1 or into 2 by 2 inches. I have tried to simplified the tutorial, but I know that if you are new to Microsoft Word, there must be some queries about this. So if there is any, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to answer that within the comments, and if it is not possible to answer that in comments, I'll try to make another video on this. In any case, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.